अर्लियर स्टूडेंट वो टेंस की कॉल नहीं आया, रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा, आई एम नॉट डूइंग गुड, आई विल डू गुड और बैड. वंस यू गेट द कॉल, नाउ कम द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम की हाउ टू मैनेज कॉल्स एंड द अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. सो नाउ IFT is over. Let's not talk about IFT exam. So we have CMAT, CET, all the exams coming up which you have left it, and some of us have got the call from the other colleges as well, like IIMS, or Narsi Monji, or Simbi. How to manage both the things? How to manage Simbi, IIMS calls, and Simbi, Narsi Monji, those who are expecting the call, and how to handle the exams. See, first of all, number one, congratulations for the call. You should be feeling proud that you have got the call. You have shown some success. Imagine the people who have not got any call. Fine. उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा? You have at least some success story which will make you do more. So that's number one. That's the main thing. That's the biggest motivation for you. That is that you have got the calls. You prove yourself in some exam. It may or may not be as good as what you expected, but something is better than nothing. Number one. Now come the main point: how to handle that. See, GDPI preparation you have to do once. We are doing GDPI workshop every day at 10 p.m. Every day we are doing that, minus a couple of days. Yeah, when I'm not there or ma'am is not there who is conducting the workshops. So at that time we don't do. Otherwise we are doing it every day. Please attend that. Only if attend the workshop and just revise a few topics. Just revise those things which are done. For example, goals in life. So we discuss goals in life for 1 hour. In that 1 hour you have to finalize your answer, or you can take some more time. 1 घंटा बस दिन का लगाना है. Remaining time you can prepare for the CET, CMAT, other exams. You are not going to study 24 hours, number one. Whenever you're feeling bored, prepare for the interviews. See, puzzles, you have to keep revising. DI, you have to keep revising. It's not one-time effort. It's a multiple efforts. After, for example, DI ka class, you have to spend X number of days on DI to become expert in that. But in GDPI, it's just 1 hour. So if you can give me 1 hour every day, in the description box I given the link for the Telegram group where we are conducting the workshop, where we post the link for the workshop every day. Yeah, and we conduct these workshops on GDPI. 1 घंटा रोज का. For the remaining time, I want you to focus on your CAT, CET, SNAP, जो भी आप एग्जाम देने वाले हो. सब हो चुका है. CET, CMAT, जो एग्जाम बाकी है. So yes, you can handle both of them. You have to do that. Fine. GDPI, one time, there are majorly 10-15 main topics. Those are working specially 10-15 main topics. Prepare for those 10-15 main topics, and remaining time you can focus on your studies. Fine. Do not let the success get into your head. This is very very important thing. कि कॉल आ गया अब मेरे को टेंशन नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल yesterday met a guy in IIM in Nasik. Yeah, he got IIM Bangalore का एनालिटिक्स का प्रोग्राम का कॉल, and he have a CET exam coming up as well. So bro, don't let IIM Bangalore get into the head, because number one, that's not the main IIM call. That is a analytics का program का call. Your main focus should be on CET. Okay. Now second point is, I can't ignore that call, because that call is also important. Because in case भगवान ने करे CET बेकार गया, on the last day you mess up the exam, anything can happen, anything can go wrong. This call can act as a backup plan. Yeah, I have students who have got IIM लखनऊ का call and they are still focused on CET. तो दोनों करना यार. Why you ignoring एक side? ठीक है. So you can do that. 1 hour every day for the GDP. Remaining time you prepare for your CET or CMAT. Yeah, and whenever you don't want to study, whenever you don't feel like study, you can prepare for the exam. Because अभी NMAT भी आ रहा है लोगों का एग्जाम देने के लिए. NMAT भी है, sorry, NMAT, CMAT, CET, all the exams are coming up. Alright. If any more questions, please ask in the comment. I'll be making more videos on that. All the best.